So look at first place. Madam, first. Madam, yeah. On post, yeah. Sir, yeah.
Nobody knows who's cutting it.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. So, Omar sir, can you click? Not sure. Sir, can you down? So, on boy.
Guys, you can just.
Can we have your attention?
Fast. Both.
Like memory.
Yes, sir.
Just a few minutes. Your attention. First of all, I'd like to welcome all of you for being here today. Our chief guest, the Prince of Arcot, Mohammed Abdullali, a very close family friend, Mrs. Gulpur Shukar. Of course, she needs no more introduction than that. Our dear Consul General of Thailand here with us, so thank you for being here with us today. So, the idea of this exhibition, the man behind the lens, Hasnain Ahmad. Good.
Mr. Honors and my brother, cousin who supported me in this, and my parents, and my father was the behind this, who encouraged me a lot in this field. He gifted me a camera so that from that camera I came this far. So I would like to thank each and everyone for coming. Please enjoy the evening. Thank you, Prince of Arcot. Thank you, Consul General of Thailand. Thank you.
Huge congratulations to Hasnain. I think what is very important is you bring the culture together. In today's times, it's very important that how you stay united. And I really like the way Asif put it across, that what a better way than art to bring the culture together, to make us feel that we belong to each other. They always say art does not know any language, it does not have any religion or caste. And I truly believe in that, because art is something you take something from a different part of the world and you bring it to our country. It enriches us with the culture. And from our country, which is known to have the richest culture and heritage, from here we take it to different parts of the world and we tell them what is India all about. I'm very glad that Hassan is going to take a lot of culture or what we talk about to bring the different parts of the world to us. But I'm very sure that Hassan is also not going to portray the poverty areas of India, which normally the people from different parts of the world would love to say that India, we are showing the true culture of India, and they normally tend to show only the poverty. India is not about poverty alone. I think India has the greatest culture and heritage, and it's a very, very rich country. So I'm sure the world that India is not about Dharavi, India is not about the poverty. India is much more than that. And as I said, nothing can be better than bringing art together, which combines us and brings unity among us. So, I love art, I'm very fond of art, and I really would like to thank your parents for gifting you a camera.
Especially my father.
Yes, it's gee. So it's so difficult in today's times where parents tend to push their ideas in children and say, no, you have to be an engineer, you have to be a doctor, you have to do something else, which I wanted to do and I could never do it. Realizing their dreams by forcing their children to do what they always wanted to do. It's a different world altogether when you look at Mansur Bhai's family and the entire Nawab Saab's family, where they allow the children to grow. And until unless they do not realize what their dreams are, until unless parents do not give them the encouragement, parents do not give them the push, the children can never flourish. And I'm so glad that your dad allowed you to grow, you have your wings and has allowed you to fly. Continue flying high, wishing you all the very best. Enjoy it.
Exhibition, and I'm very impressed with the work. As I've seen, I wish you the best of everything in the success and into this art thing. And I believe that you are planning, besides that this one is a color of Arabia, and you're here next in
Colors of India, colors of Africa.
So one thing.
And then Thailand.
Yeah, I was going to say that. Something next.
Definitely.
Okay. Thank you. Congratulations.
Assalamu alaikum to everybody. Good evening.
Salam.
Namaskara. Ma salama fi hada kullu jam. You should ask him the meaning of it. This meaning only I know, God knows. I am very happy to participate in today's excellent function, which my nephew, Hasnain Ahmad, my own sister's son, my sister is here, and my brother-in-law Mansoor is here. And I should congratulate the parents of Hasnain Ahmad for having brought him so nicely, groomed him so nicely, with all etiquette, manners and so on, which is very essential. Especially I refer to the younger generation, but education itself is not enough, mind you. By just obtaining certificates or degrees, it is not enough. We want decency, we want very good etiquette in public and private life. That is most essential. So today, Hasnain Ahmad has brought today especially India and Dubai together. How many of you have seen Dubai? Hands up. The balance, whoever have not raised the hand, tell Hasnain he'll arrange a chartered flight.
I have seen.
Very, very good country. The culture, the get-together of our Indians and Arabs are unique. Especially UAE is a very non-controversial, it's a very good relationship with India always. And you know, UAE has honored our Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji, with the highest award in Abu Dhabi. What more you want? The King of Saudi Arabia, His Majesty also honored our Prime Minister, Honorable Narendra Modi ji. That is the unity of the country to country. And today's exhibition, what we are seeing here, it is something very good captured in the Hasnain's camera. And I hope you must also take my photo in the exhibition. Definitely. Just calling me here without a tea or coffee, I never had this. So I must congratulate once again the parents, the other brothers and sisters. She is in UAE. And a very small family, good family. My sister is a very innocent lady, very polite, very gentle lady. But you don't know, once she loses her temper, I can't. So once again, I wish all the best to Hasnain's parents, and we are very happy that our sister Nakhat Khushbu has participated. His Excellency, the Consul General of Thailand, visit Thailand also. Very good country, you know. Next time, Hasnain must have Thailand pictures. That's right. So that will be a very good occasion to invite you also in India.
Yes.
And I should like to greet and congratulate my son, Nawabzada Asif Ali, who has stood like a rock with Hasnain in his all activities. Everything is there. I am very proud that my two sons, one is here, one is in Dubai. But I am just thinking and I am crying every day. Because one is there, one is here. So I am very proud of these two boys. May God bless you. And he's very talented boy. Let us go for it. Come on. His director is our James Bond.
side. Sir, what's your name, sir? Ma'am, ma'am.
This is a music video. It's called Raste. It's going to be released soon. The next one.
Ma'am, ma'am.
And then one more.
மாஸ் போடுறது யார் எங்கே இருக்காங்க யாருக்கு எனக்கு தெரிய மாட்டேங்குது.
Come here.